You might have used different AI image creation tools before, but get ready to be amazed by the incredible brilliance of Stable Diffusion, an AI-powered image creation tool. With this tool, you can generate stunning images from text descriptions that will blow your mind. Just look at the results. Wow! In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use it and what all are the capabilities this tool has. To use this tool, go to this website on your browser. I'll also add the link in the description. Once you are on the website, you'll be presented with a variety of options. The first thing that you need to do is to write the prompt in this enter your prompt box. Simply describe your imagination, what kind of image you want to generate, and hit the generate button. Within just a few seconds, the system will display the results and you'll be blown away by the output. The more specific details you provide, the better results the system will generate for you. Sometimes finding the right prompt can be challenging. To make things easier, you can tap on these example images to find a relevant prompt. Additionally, the tool offers several advanced options to enhance and modify your images such as clean up, remove background, replace background, image upscaler, etc. With Stable Diffusion, you have all these fantastic features conveniently available in one place. So do try it and let us know your views on this. Also, if you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.